Hey Brian, now we're looking at the one on Desert Morning. Um, cool thing about this one, corner lot, and this one is on about a quarter-acre lot. The home it's sitting on, and got a cool Texas mountain laurel tree there as well as here. And yeah, let's check this one out. 3 beds, 2 baths. As you know, recently renovated, and they do have new garage doors, new roof, and new fence all around. So let's check this one out. And again, like the other one on Rael, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and this one is 1441 square feet. So for about 300 square feet less, it goes from that one that was at 355. This one is 255. So you've got a little living area there. To the right, you have the secondary bedrooms with a lot of outdoor lighting. Got the other one here. And the bathroom. With some nice tile all the way to the ceiling there. Out onto the entrance foyer. Take a right into the living area here and kitchen. Got a nice breakfast nook looking out onto the backyard, and the utility room there with the entrance to the garage. Fireplace. Cool entrance into the bathroom with the arches. Got a window in the restroom portion that, you can close the door here, and then you've got the closet here, which is a pretty good sized closet. Pretty good sized closet. I'm a fan of this little arch entrance here. I think that was a nice touch. Nice vaulted ceilings here. Okay, cool. This was definitely extended a lot more. Slab patio, and it's covered. Let me see if the roof on this is a continuation. Okay, no, it's not a continuation of the house roof, but yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, you can definitely feel the size of this backyard. It is huge. Be nice if there was another oak tree planted right in the middle of this spot right here to give shade to this entire area. You do have the neighbor's tree there and the palm tree here, but yeah, definitely some shade would be appreciated in here. But yeah, and as you can see here from here, the roof looks really new and nice touch. It's got a cool pattern. Got a little outdoor shed here. Pretty sweet. Oh, one thing about the one on Rael, that one had gutters. This one looks like it doesn't have gutters. So, yeah, pretty cool home. Let me know what you think, Brian. And yeah, like I said, new fence, new roof, new garage doors, and you know, obviously the floor is definitely very new as well. But yeah, let me know if you got any questions on this one. Talk soon.